Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to crochet a new double crochet stitch when you attach new yarn. This method only works when you attach new yarn. First, make slip knot with your new yarn. Insert the hook into the loop. Then yarn over your hook. Insert your hook into the stitch you want to add a new double crochet. I'm just gonna add it right here. Then I yarn over my hook or pull out a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And that's it. That is my new double crochet stitch. I'll show you again. First, I make slip knot with my new yarn. Insert the hook into the loop. Yarn over hook. Insert the hook into the stitch. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's it. Then you're just gonna keep on crocheting whatever you are crocheting. Beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next video. Bye bye.